Many times, while working with Excel, you may have faced difficulty finding a particular menu or a command under that menu, such as review, under review language, and translate. So to make your life easy, in this video we will go over how to change menu position in Excel. Or in simple words, you can say how we can customize the appearance of menu interface, which can save you a lot of time and help finding the commands quickly. So to understand this feature in Excel, I have divided this video in 3 different parts. Let's start. In part 1, we will look at how to move menu to a different location with all subsections. As you can see, we have different menu listed here: Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, and others. Let's assume that most of the times you are using Data menu instead of Home or Insert. So for a quick access, you can easily change position of this Data menu. Go to File. You will see Options tab. Click on that and Excel Options pop-up will be open. Now go to Customize ribbon. You can see 2 sections here. Choose Commands from and Customize the ribbon. Now under Main tabs, you can see different menu options. Select Data and from up and down arrows, you can set this menu position. We want Data menu at the very first position before Home menu. So we will select Data and click on Move Up arrow until it reaches top. Click on OK. As you can see now, the entire Data menu with all commands has been shifted to the first position before Home menu. So easy, right? Let's move to part 2, where we will go over how to change commands position under a particular menu. So here we have Data menu option. Under that Data menu option, we are mainly using Data tools. Now we want to change this Data tools position. So go to File, Options. A pop-up will be opened. Click on Customize ribbon. On right section, expand the Data menu. You will find Data tools. Select it and click on Move Up arrow until it reaches at top under Data tools. Now click on OK. As you can see, the Data tools is shifted to the first position under Data tools. Meanwhile, if you find this video really helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it in your network. Now let's continue with our last part of this video. Let's say most of the time you are working with a specific set of commands such as remove duplicates under Data, sort and filtering, flash fill, and conditional formatting under Home, freeze panes under View. So why not just create a custom menu with only this specific set of commands to make things simple and not waste time switching between menu items? So let's look at how to create such a customized menu and give a name of your choice. Go to File, click on Options. You will see Customize ribbon. Now on the right bottom, you can see a button called New tab. Click on that. Now click here and rename it to, let's say, Hack Excel. Now click on New group and rename it to My group. Now from the left section, add all features we need under that menu. Remove duplicates, sort and filtering, flash fill, and conditional formatting. And the last is freeze panes. Now click on OK. As you see on screen, a menu called Hack Excel has been added and the group name is My group and all features are added to it. Similarly, you can create different menu or different groups under one menu as per your requirement. A quick bonus tip, in case if you completely don't remember the location of a specific command, such as email, what you can do is use this search bar at the top, simply type in email. It will generate a few suggestions based on your keyword. And you can see under Actions, we have our email command, which basically allows you to share or send this workbook as an attachment over an email. I'm sure you will definitely use this feature of Excel, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Do check out my other video where I have talked about the most powerful data entry feature, Flash Fill in Excel. The link is currently appearing on your screen here. As always, keep excelling.